I love anything that makes life much easier, particularly when it comes to growing your own veggies or flowers. Now, no matter what your age or experience, I have the perfect solution for growing your own garden from seed, and it only takes a few minutes to achieve. First, rake the site level and remove any stones. Spread some compost or soil improver over the garden bed and gently mix into the top 10 centimetres of the soil. These kids may not enjoy making the beds at home, but they're sure to enjoy making these new garden beds, these clever new roll and grow mats from Mr Fothergill's. The 2 metres by 50 centimetre mats are made of biodegradable paper that is pre-sown with a mix of seed varieties, so all the hard work of planting seeds is already done for you. There are 3 types of garden to choose from: salad vegetables, superfoods and cottage garden flowers, each containing 5 different seed varieties. The seeds are evenly spaced in straight rows, minimising the need for thinning. Each variety has its own row and they're clearly labelled on the mat. All you need to do is just roll it out. The mat can also be cut to any size to suit smaller gardens or to plant in succession for a continuous crop. It couldn't be easier. Just lightly cover the seed mat with fine soil or compost and then water in well with a watering can or a hose with a fine spray. Within a couple of months you can be enjoying your own fresh garden harvest of vegetables and flowers. All you have to do is roll and grow your own with Mr Fothergill's. Go to mrfothergills.com.au to find out how to make gardening easy and achievable, no matter how experienced you are. Or for contact details, go to homeinwa.com.au.